Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to duplicate photos or videos on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your photos and then choose any photo or videos that you want to duplicate. So for example, I'm gonna choose this video. So if you want to duplicate it, just click on the button on the lower left side of your screen and then scroll down until you see the duplicate. So as you can see, I have the duplicate of this video. So if you want to duplicate a picture, just select any picture that you want. So for example, this one. So again, click on the bottom left part of your screen in this button and then click duplicate and then just wait. Then there you have it. That's how you duplicate photos or videos on your iPhone. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.